Welcome to Composet Products LLC. This is a video on RV wall, ceiling, and floor delamination. Typical delamination happens in the plywood used to build the walls of the RV. The plywood is not moisture resistant, and when water gets in the walls, it dissolves the glue in the layers of the plywood and the plywood begins to separate. In this example, we can see the extreme case of delamination where there's still a thin layer of wood attached to the fiberglass, but the layers of plywood have fully separated. Delamination can be spotted by looking for a bubbling effect on the siding. This bubbling effect will vary depending on whether the sun is on the sidewall and the temperature outside. The fiberglass can now grow and expand and then shrink due to thermal cycling, which further increases the delamination problems. The best fix for delamination is to replace the entire wall, roof, or floor. However, that's not always a practical answer for many people, so there are kits that are used to repair delamination that have varying degrees of success, generally based on the size and amount of delamination as well as your skill level in initiating a repair process. Composet Products LLC exists to help do-it-yourselfers and RV shops make repairs to delaminated plywood using our proprietary and trademarked Composet SLV and Composet Compobond epoxy resin products. The Composet SLV resin is a thin, two-component, high-performance laminating epoxy specifically designed and developed for rebonding the plywood as well as fiberglass, metal, and wood back together in RV walls. It's a very thin, high-performing resin that can be injected, poured, brushed, or rolled onto the surfaces. Composet Products doesn't just sell epoxy resin. We sell a process and package our solutions in kits that can include a variety of tools and equipment that provide a baseline for installing the resin into the walls to ensure the best possible outcome in rebonding the plywood and materials. Our most basic kit is called the number 12 kit. Covers maybe 10 to 12 square feet of single layer delamination and includes 1.2 quarts of the resin, syringes, tubing, and some other application tools that help you with the process. Stepping up is our number 24 kit. It doubles the amount of resin and includes additional tools. The number 24 plus kit includes everything in the number 24 kit plus a small roller, additional piping, and more tubes and a larger syringe. The third base kit that we have is called the Master Kit. It comes with 3 times the amount of resin than the number 12 kit and a larger assortment of accessories. Then there's the Master Plus Kit, which comes with the large roller, more syringes, more tools for a better application process. In summary, the number 12, number 24, 24 Plus, Master, and Master Plus kits featuring the Composet SLV resin are used for injecting the resin into a closed wall. There's a second circumstance that we also deal with in delamination in what we term as the open wall, where the fiberglass and plywood have pulled away from the backing and the wall is open, where an injectable material is too thin for the application. In this case, we have our Composet Compobond trademarked and proprietary resin system that is quite a bit thicker than the Composet SLV. Please visit our other videos and specifically the closed wall application for the Compobond products. At the end of the day, maintenance is the critical issue to prevent delamination. Sealing and caulking are very important and should be done annually to prevent water intrusion into the walls. We hope you've enjoyed this video and found it valuable, and please consider us, Composet Products LLC, as your go-to source for information on delamination and for solutions for repairing delaminations. Thanks.